Hello everybody and welcome back. Now, as you can see by what's here, there's something in need of attention. Now, my original intent was to do a video on changing the front driveline oil in the differential all along through here, because it's time to do that in accordance with the maintenance schedule. But just around the same time as I thought of that, I had a look on the ground on this right hand side and there's an oil leak. So a bit of investigation was done, as you'll see in this video and the subsequent parts. So it's a bit of a mishmash really. I'm going to drain the oil like I was originally intending to, repair what I've got to repair, which is a seal in case you're wondering, and then put the oil back in. So let's hook in. Alright, that was my head getting hit on the bloody chassis. Anyway, we've got a bit of a leak here. There's oil dripping on the floor and I don't know where it's coming from. Is it? I had a look here the other day. There's the oil dripping down, but I see wetness up here too. So I can't see how it'll be this drain plug because I haven't touched it yet. I haven't done the first differential oil change. There's one on each side, so the only thing I can do is wipe and come back later. Hopefully it's something simple, I would hope. Dunno. Doesn't matter, all machinery on this planet leaks. Alright, we'll come back and have a look a bit later. Alright, I've got a work light on, which is good because you can see the shiny trail of oil coming down. Alright, I wiped it down yesterday because there's oil dripping at the bottom here, and now I've come back today and the wetness starts up here. Having looked at the workshop manual, I know there's an oil seal in here. I'm going to try and get a better picture, but I can see a squishy part of a seal protruding there, whereas on the opposite side it's not like that. Alright, we're underneath here. There's a drain plug. So up the top here, mate. In here, where we're going there, I can't show you the video of it. There's the oil seal seems to be poking it out. I can feel it squishy. There you go. Now watch when I press. See there? Sorry. When I squish it, I see a bit of oil come out. Sorry guys, it's very tight under here. Alright, and for reference, here's the opposite side. Look. Dry as under there. Yeah, no such issue. You can see the lip. So this is a terrible picture, but I've just sort of copied it off here. The final drive housing, see in the middle there? Alright, what I'm trying to say is the hollow that you go into, I can see on the manual here it goes bearing seal. Number 6 is an oil seal that sits in here. If I'm to follow that, the seal must be on top. Do you think that's the issue that you can see? That's what I reckon. I'm prepared to repair it myself, but tell me truthfully how hard it is. By the way, it'd make a great YouTube video. So I can only assume that that's a checking sort of dipstick for the front diff. There you go, that's a better shot. So let's undo that via the bolt head there that it's attached to. So this is 24mm. Let's see how we go. It's on pretty tight. Come back with a bit of a persuader. Alright, I just had a thought. Is that hollow on that side? No. I wonder if it doubles as a breather. Look at that. Won't unscrew anymore because this is in the way. Ridiculous. It must be just... No, we made it. No, it's not a dipstick at all. Yes, it is a breather. It must be. So that's obviously the filler point. Alright, you learn something every day. Okay, I took the filler plug and breather off to improve the flow. This drain plug at the bottom is 24mm. And I moved it with this. Sick of getting oily hands, so let's get the gloves on. Alright, I learnt from last time that was magnetised. Look at all the sludge on the bottom there. Right, let's let that drain. Alright, that'll do. I've cleaned up the drain plug, the crush washer. I think that's what it's called. Looks pretty good. Let's go. Oh, very heavily magnetised, like I said. Can't lose it in a hurry. Bloody hell. This will be fun. Push in. There we go. Hope you're having fun watching this. It's like some bloody crazy game. Alright, let's do him up tight now so we don't forget. There's no need to absolutely break the bloody thing, but there, because I remember what it was like undoing it. Alright, here we are at the front right bottom plug of the, I don't know what it's called, the bottom of the drive line, I suppose. And I've got the pan right up underneath. Let's see if we've got magnetic business here too. More than likely, it's a good idea. Let's see what comes out of this bad boy. Oil. Oh. Not so dirty, that one. Alright, let's leave that one to drain. Good, we're going very well here. Okay, you remember I call that a breather valve. So just wait. I notice on the other side we've got another one. Well, there's no breather in it. I would presume that's where you actually fill up from. Let us know if you know any better. Are you ready for this? Look and you shall discover. So I've undone it already. Ready for this? Ta-da! There's the dipstick I thought existed or read somewhere. So now it makes sense. You've got a dipstick on this side and a breather plug on the other side. Well, I suppose you could fill from either side, or do you have to fill both? We shall find out. Anyway, that's good to know. Remind myself to do it up. Alright, there's the oil from the front axle housing. And the book says 5.5 litres. If you can read that, 5.5 litres front axle oil capacity. 27 mil. How about I go the other way? What a fool. Having a good one today.